Now I am in ICA supermarket here in Stockholm, and we're gonna go in here and check the prices a little bit, what they have for price here in Stockholm, Sweden. Just go inside here and I take a bag here. So what we have here, we have baby tomatoes, 2 for 40 crown. And then you have, you can check here, we have bananas. And the bananas is 40 crown for 1 kilo. 1 kilo is 40 crown. Not so bad. And if you want to have champignon, mushrooms, this one, it's only like 6 of them. And they cost 35 crown. That's crazy. Here you have, now they have a very good price here. If you're a member, it's easy to be a member. Then you buy 3 of this Coca-Cola for 50 Swedish crown. That's not bad. They also sell beer here. But the beer here is 0.5% alcohol on this, and it costs 23 crown. In Sweden they're not allowed to sell over 3.5 alcohol in the normal grocery store. That's the problem. Here you have Eriksberg, and this is no alcohol, it's 0, but they want 17 crown for it. So that's very expensive, must say. Here you have lamb stick. It costs 200 crown a kilo for this lamb. From New Zealand it comes. And they have this corn chicken, this one. It costs 150 crown a kilo. They come from France. And maybe you want meat, entrecote meat. This entrecote, look at it, 146 crown for this, 429 crown a kilo. That's very, very expensive. That's entrecote. Beef. There is a beef. It costs 100 crown, this beef. It costs a kilo, 429 crown. Yeah. There you have little expensive stuff. And here you come to fish. We have Solomon, 349 crown a kilo. It's from Norway. There you have bread. 22 crown for 2 of these small bread. Here you have another bread. This is extra price on 25 crown for this. And if you want to have something on your sandwich, you can have ham. This ham, 120 gram. It costs 25 crown for this. And here you have different type of cheese. This cheese is a little cheaper. Borgost, it's called ost, is cheese in Swedish. 89 crown kilo. And here is my favorite. It's this one. It's called Gruyere cheese. They want 158 crown a kilo. It's nice. I like. Maybe you want something for your coffee. Very unhealthy, of course. This is punch. Inside punch roll. 4 of this. It costs 30 crown now if you buy 2. Chocolate balls. They also same. You buy 2 of this and you pay 30 crown. Often the cheap price is on the bad food with a lot of sugar inside. Here they sell bigger meat pieces. What we have here, you can make a steak. That's cheaper. 139 crown. You boil it and make some steak of it. A kilo, 139. But I don't know what the other beef I saw was so expensive. This is also beef, and it cost 169. 2 for 169 of this. But beef become expensive. We come to milk area and yogurt. You can take a yogurt here. 2 of these yogurt, watermelon, pear, vanilla. It costs 42 for 2. You can buy 1, of course, but they have a little extra price if you buy 2. And here you have milk. And milk is 21 crown for 1 liter milk. And here you have herring, sill in Swedish, is popular. And a small can of sill, Abba sill. It costs 33 crown for this. And here is sausage. And I'm really gonna have sausage because I have sausage at home. Yeah, many different. This is called hot dog pölser, it's Danish. It costs 39 crown. But I don't choose that. I choose this Sorunda sausage. It is 8 sausage for 48 crown. So that go in my bag. And I really need a milk also. A normal milk. ICA milk. I take one here. It's 1 liter, 3% fat. It costs 20 crown. You have hard bread. People in Sweden like to buy hard bread. Like example, this small package. It is 23 crown for this. Then they have this big one you see down here. It's rounded, so you have to break it yourself. It costs 47 crown for that. And it's quite big. So in real, that's a good price. Here you can buy cereals. Brain flakes. 35 crown. Here's another with cocoa. It's made cost 50 crown for that. And here Kellogg's, you can find probably America and everywhere in the world. It's 68 crown for that, and it's how big is it? Oh, it's almost a kilo. And if you want to buy coffee bean, if you have that type of machine, then you have this. Oops. Not good. ICA Arabica. It costs 85 crowns for that. One person before asked me about instant coffee. We have this instant coffee. Show you here. Gevalia, 200 gram. And it costs 99 crown for this instant coffee. Some think that's the easy way to make coffee. And it is. And here you have one example of half kilo coffee. In real it's 450 gram coffee. It costs 60 Swedish crown for this. Then I know many people in Sweden are living alone. Not have big family in the same place, so they don't want to make food every day alone when they are alone. So we have a lot of frozen food also. You can just make it in micro oven or what you want to do. But like this, they have pizza here. 2 of this pizza cost 68 crown for 2. Also extra price today. Here is a kebab pizza, 2 for 68 and 1 for 37. It's not so bad really. Maybe I should buy that. I take 2 pizza. I take this stenugnsbakad pizza kebab. Yeah, that's be fine. And here you have dishes you just put in the micro oven. And they cost 47 crown for one dish. They have many different ones. Dumpling, chicken, green curry. Now they have probably like 25 different. So if you don't like to make your own food, you have a lot to choose from. Here, Angus beef, Italian beef, spaghetti bolognese. Even ice you can buy here. 2 ice for 100 crown, 50 crown for an ice. Oof, 2.5 kilo, 5 kilo ice for 100 crown. I don't know, maybe that's okay. And then you can pay. Hej.
Något annat?
Ja, det är bra, tack.
138.
Du kan slänga, tack.
Det var digitalt där.
Ja, det var det, ja. Okej, tack. Så. Den finish. Och we're shopping in ICA. They have wagon here also. You just take one. That's good. And here an ATM before you go out also. And then we're out again. And here they do a little commercial for bacon. It costs 140 gram bacon, costs 15 crown. And that's okay price, must say. Yeah, thank you for following me into this ICA supermarket.